Post of the Hyderabad Cricket Academy. Congratulations, sir. So, can you tell us what made you come forward and file the nomination for the post?
Well, I think the problem here was, the cricket was not been the focus here, and I think the cricket has really gone down because we were second last in the plate, and we want everybody to see that what is happening in Hyderabad, and my basic intention is to make sure that the cricket in Hyderabad flourish. I think the basic aim of mine is to make sure that the cricket goes ahead, and the other things which has been happening, we have it's very sad also to hear that we are not unable to host that test match also. Such a big association, such a big ground, we have so many all the facilities, but I mean, it is very sad we cannot even hold the test match. But I want to really do something for the state of Telangana also, because I think if the association or any federation doesn't do well, it entirely reflects the name of the state. I think we've got the state after a very, very long battle and long struggle. So I think we make sure that the association and the state's name is always flying high, and we really want to do well for the game of the cricket, because I think the association is known as a cricket association, so we cannot run at the whims and fancies of individuals. It has to be run like a body, it has to be run like an association, and that is my intention.
So once you come to power, what will be your key areas of interest? What will you be looking at?
Well, I think to improve the cricket and improve cricket in the districts also. I think because in districts really suffer, because there are so many players. If you see that a lot of good players, hard-working players come from the district. So sometimes when they come here, they don't get chances, because they have been told, oh no, you are from Gaon, you can't get into the side. That's not a right thing, not right attitude. We want to do something in the districts also, and also make sure that the game of cricket in Hyderabad improves, and we want to produce many great players. We have produced so many great players, but now, I mean, at the present situation, I mean, it's very hard for us to do that, but we'll try hard and make sure that we get the system right.
So the High Court had given you, said
that is now that is over, that is behind now. It is already.
Your critics are not keeping quiet, sir. How would you respond to that?
I'm really not really worried about what people are saying. My intention is to really work hard for the game of cricket. I've played cricket for so many years, and I want to do something for the cricket. That would be my intention. I really don't want. I mean, people say so many things, so I mean, I can't respond to everybody.